people and the state as a whole. Now, while this expectation of resolving this issue is from the positive perspective, I see a possibility to give effect to this demand of the people. But at the same time, there is also concern about the overall handling of the situation, particularly in respect to the authorities engaging in going after the leaders who have been perceived to have been, as per the available, whatever inputs are available with the legal authority, enforcement authorities. There is a perception which is circulated, or in other words, I will say that the overall circulation of narratives which is creating a general perception that law enforcement authorities are carrying out arrests in random and indiscriminate manner without proper verification of facts or involvement. Such perceived actions can lead to miscarriage of justice, could aggravate also the situation or otherwise the public unrest, and risk of implicating innocent persons while the real culprits may remain unidentified. It is very important that arrests made merely to demonstrate action or to diffuse immediate pressure may result in deterioration of the law and order situation, and rather than restoring the trust and confidence. Every action of the authorities must be seen as being done on good faith, with no bias, but in a transparent manner, in the with the sole intent of ensuring administration of justice in the right earnest, without any favor or ill will. I have also looked at his press briefing, irrespective of other contents, but I will only say that I think respectfully I will say that he also has not done his homework well, because if you go through by his statements, it seems to be more reactionary than actual sincere attempt to address the concern and issues. And in fact, I have made it abundantly clear here that it cannot be ruled out whether there was plot and conspiracy hatched by vested interests or any other forces, external forces, inimical to the national interest. Therefore, this whole the result from the side of the government to go for an exhaustive inquiry can be possible with what we are suggesting. There are many ways of unearthing the truth to see that normalcy as being restored. I would like to gratefully, sincerely thank all our senior citizens and leaders of different faiths, particularly the church leaders, who have put all their efforts together collectively to reach out to all agitating minds and contribute to the extent possible for restoration of normalcy and the needed peace and harmony. And we must all contribute to this.